Here they go. Unrecognized. Here they go.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending disaster. Tests of these receivers by this system are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next available good weather day. The warning alarm, transmitted over National Weather Service radio stations in north central and northeast Illinois, will be activated for watches and for warnings, affecting all counties in north central and northeast Illinois, as well as counties in all northwest Indiana. Reception of this broadcast in the alarm zone will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at a distance from a given transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This concludes the tone alarm test. We will now return to our regular program. Here is your forecast for Pontiac and surrounding communities. Golden, clear. Lows around 20.
Here we go. Holy shit!
The attention signal unit first will automatically activate special receivers to warn of the impending hazard. This test is conducted each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. but may be postponed if there is a threat of severe weather. In that case, the test
I don't
will be
know how to
held
turn
on the
this
first
off.
available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm feature will normally vary from distance from the transmitter. This may occur even if you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. We now return to regular programming.
At 11 a.m. in Bloomington, skies were cloudy.
Oh my god.
The temperature was 49 degrees.